Hey everybody, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Tuesday, that means it is the 52-week challenge. And yes, you do not see the 52-week challenge here. That is because we are doing two stuffings, two money challenges. First, we are going to be doing the Budget Mom. So before we get started, make sure you go and subscribe down below and hit that notification because on Tuesdays, we are going to be doing two money challenges for the month of March. And I will explain why in a few minutes, but be sure to go and like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you comment your number for next week for the 52-week challenge because we are going to be doing a $10 giveaway if I pull your number. All right, so like I said, we're going to be doing the Budget Mom. Now, we are going to be doing the 5% or the 10% is what I'm going to be doing. It's 10% to the savings. Or you can do the elimination challenge. I will link the Budget Mom, the last week's February, the challenge, because I did introduce the March challenge and I go a little bit more in depth with each of them. But we are going to be doing the 5% savings or 10% or whatever percent that you actually want to do. All right, so pretty much just a little summary of it. After you pay your bills, you'll figure out how much money you have left after you pay your bills and stuff your envelopes and everything. So whenever I did that, I had $116 left. So all you do is just take that number and you times it by 10%, so it'll be 0.10. So that is 11.6. So we are going to be putting $12 in here. And usually you have to stuff it every time you get paid. So we do get paid every 2 weeks. So I will be stuffing March twice. So next Tuesday, it will just be strictly a 52-week challenge. But then whenever we get paid again, then it would be the 52-week challenge and the Budget Mom. Now, if you haven't heard the Budget Mom, her stuff is always down below. Go watch her. She is incredible. But we are going to be putting $12 because it's $11.60, so might as well just round up. And that would be it, pretty much, for the Budget Mom. So 5, 10, 11, 12. So that is $12. I'm going to put that in there. Let's go ahead. I don't know what day it is. All I know is it's Tuesday, and I'm very tired. So I'm going to say 10%. So we have $12. Now I'm just going to let you know that March is probably going to be my lowest month for the Budget Mom. But it is fine. We'll work on it. So we're going to go ahead and put that in here. And let's get on with the 52-week challenge because I'm pretty sure that is why everybody has come on Tuesday to come and hang out with me on this video. But I'm just going to go ahead and get set up. So we have our Erin Condren. So if you are new, you don't know who Erin Condren is, go check her out because she is awesome. I always buy her planners, which I might change and I might not. It just all depends. All right, I didn't even count how many people commented, and we did have a winner last week, and they didn't even claim their prize. Like, who doesn't want a $10 Amazon gift card? Because I would be entering it all the time. But let's just count real quick and see how many people commented. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. 30. We have 30 people. So if you want to pause this video and you can go and see if any of these have videos or anything like that. I know a couple of people do, so go and check them out. The Financial Latina, love her, absolutely love her. Saving with Capria, I believe she has a channel too. And I think there's a couple more people. But I'm very tired. It's very late at night when I'm uploading this. But anyway, so go and check them out. So that is super exciting. And we are on week 10, you guys. That is crazy. All right, so let's go ahead and pick our number. If we get anything less than 10, we will pull again. Hopefully we have a winner. So let's see. This one. $3. You guys, we are going to be pulling again, and I am for sure that nobody guessed $3. Somebody guessed the 7. But no, so nobody guessed $3. So we are going to pull again. We're just going to go ahead and count this first, though. So $215. So that's super exciting. We're going to be a week ahead. So that's going to be awesome. Now, you guys, if I pull less than 10 again, should I pull again? That would be really fun. So let's see. Let's do this one. Watch it be like $52. $25. So yay. So we have 25, 26, 27, and 28. So $25. Let's hope that somebody picked that one. And I believe somebody did. Let's see. Yep, somebody did. Tina. And it is just Tina. There is 2 Tinas who commented, but it's strictly just the name Tina. Because the other Tina that won previously, she's down here. She didn't guess 25. But Tina, congratulations. Thank you for guessing the right number. That is super fun that you won. I believe that she has not commented before. I'm not sure. I don't think she has. But anyways, congratulations. My email is down below. As always, you have till 3 p.m. on Friday to message me. Make sure that if you already messaged me, sometimes it goes into the junk mail. I do try to go and look at the junk mail. But if you tell me that you emailed me, just leave me a comment down below that you did, and I can go ahead and send you the Amazon gift card. I usually send it out on Fridays. But yes, congratulations to Tina. I'm so happy for you guys. But if you have not won, make sure you go and comment down below, because you might win next week. And tell like your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your cousin. Tell them to come subscribe to me, and they can win a $10 gift card. Or tell them to play for you, and then you could just take the $10 gift card away from them. So, you know, that is just how. Just put as many entries as possible, you guys, because that would be great. So first is $3. 1, 2, 3, and then 25. So 20 and 25. So we are putting 25, 26, 20, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So $28. We're going to go ahead and add 25 to that. So that is $283. Hopefully, you guys, we will hit another milestone next week. That would be really, really fun. I cannot wait. All right, so let's go flip all the way back. Let's add, let's see. That should be it. And yes, my money is backwards, so don't come after me. I know there's a lot of OCD people out there who would be yelling at me right now, but, you know, it doesn't bother me. Not right now, that is. All right, so 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, and 83. So we got 83, 1, and 2. So $283 is how much we have right now. So that is super exciting. Cannot wait to put this towards the wedding. And I did just make a big deposit on the wedding. Well, it's not really big. It's big to me because I did make a dent on it. But yeah, so hopefully that video will be out for the updated wedding budget. That video will be out in June, I believe. June or July. But anyways, that is it, you guys. Thank you again for commenting and always coming back on Tuesday. I absolutely love you guys, and I cannot thank you enough for all the love and support that you have towards me and continuing to play along with this 52-week challenge. I absolutely love giving away Amazon gift cards or any other gifts at that matter. But I will see you guys hopefully on Saturday actually for a subscriber Saturday. So before I end this video, let me know what you would want to see. I could do a, I did get my taxes in and I spent most of it on one thing. But I could still, you know, break it down what I'm going to do with my taxes. Or if you want a in-depth Ibotta explanation, I love using Ibotta, and that's what my main app that I'm going to be using to fully fund my Christmas and Black Friday fund this year. So that's super excited. So one of those two, if you would like, I would absolutely love for you to comment down below your number and also what you would like to see this coming up Saturday. But anyways, I love you guys, and I hear Dobby coming in with his little tippy tappies. So I will see you guys later. Bye.